So you're thinking about moving to Adel, Iowa. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at 4 different houses, see what your money can buy in Adel. I'm going to look at 4 new construction homes, and so we're going to get into that right now. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Des Moines area, well, then you're going to want to tap subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market conditions in the Des Moines area. My name is Andre. I'm with the Des Moines, Iowa real estate team, and we get calls from people like you every day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give me a call. My contact information is going to be in the description below. You can give me a call, text, email, or you can get on a Zoom call with me. I'd love to help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area. All right, I'm here at a nice new construction neighborhood right here in Adel, and it's a great neighborhood. You know, in Adel, you are 30 minutes from downtown Des Moines, 20 minutes from the Jordan Creek Mall, just to kind of give you an idea about how far things are. The airport is like a 35-minute drive. Of course, it depends on where you are in Adel. You're just a couple in this neighborhood. You're just a couple of minutes away from like downtown Adel, where you find a little bit of shopping. You're 5 minutes in this neighborhood from Fairway. So anyway, as with a lot of the new construction neighborhoods, you see the mailboxes are not in the front. Gives a nice clean look. This house that I want to show you, that I want to talk to you about, is $289,900. It's got 1,025 square feet on the main floor, and then another 700 square feet in the basement. So not a huge house. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's a nice small home. It's brand new construction, and it's nice. I mean, it's got the really nice windows that a lot of the builders are using. So big picture windows, I like to call them. And the view in the back, check that view out right there, because you're kind of on a hill in this area in Adel. So this neighborhood, as you can see back here, the garages are not that big, so a lot of people maybe are parking on the street. Hopefully that won't bother you if you wanted to buy something in a neighborhood like this. Anyway, really nice neighborhood. So you know, in Adel, you get a little bit more for your money just because you're a little bit further away from Des Moines, probably about 15 minutes from Waukee. So there's plenty of access to shopping and whatever else you might need. So Adel is a nice place, and it gives you a good amount of house for your dollar compared to some of the areas like Johnston and Ankeny and Grimes and Waukee and Norwalk even. But anyway, nice house, great price point. All right, we're here at the next house. Great neighborhood. What I love about this neighborhood and about this area is the views, kind of the rolling hills of Iowa. A lot of people think Iowa is just a bunch of flat cornland, but we got some hills, and it's quite beautiful in some areas. This is one of those areas. I like Adel for that. Great new construction neighborhood right here. This home right here is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's $321,990. Got 1,500 square feet on the main floor and another 1,000 square feet of finished basement. Great house. You can see there are 2-car garages in this neighborhood. So kind of similar to the last neighborhood that I showed you. I guess one of the negatives that you might see in some new construction homes is that you might have to put up with this kind of stuff, which is not for very long. I mean, there's a lot of lots over there available to build, and they'll be building on those. So you might have to put up with that, but in this direction, they're all built. So maybe not a whole lot longer, maybe a year or 2 of putting up with construction in areas like this. But great home, great views, really nice price point for what you get in 4 bedrooms, 3 baths for $321,000. That's quite a good price. So there you have it. All right, we're here at the next one. This one is, you know, same basic neighborhood. You got these great views over here. You know, it's brand new construction, so you're putting up with some construction that's going on over here. You got the no mailboxes in the front yard. It's the same stuff with a lot of these new construction neighborhoods. This house here is $349,990. It's 1,500 square feet on 1,564 square feet on the main level, and then another 700 square feet in the basement. 3-car garage, really nice finishes in there. Great house. The best thing about it is the location, you know, Adel. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So you're getting a lot of house for your money again, because you're out here in Adel, a little bit further away from Des Moines. You know, same as before. You're 30 minutes from downtown Des Moines. Great suburb, great area, and some nice houses. Really good houses for the price, and little views, rolling hills out here. Nice neighborhood, nice house. All right, we're here at the next house. This is a great neighborhood, kind of on the other side of Adel. We're on the east side of Adel. You're only a couple of minutes away from like downtown Adel, where the grocery stores are and stuff like that, middle school, high school. Just another example of what you might have to put up with new construction. You got, you know, just a lot of work going on. So, you know, they're sodding this yard over here. So things like that. I don't know if that kind of stuff bothers you, but it won't take long. All these houses will be built soon, and you'll have a lot of new neighbors. So this house is $465,000. It's got a great walkout basement. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. You've got 1,741 square feet on the main level, and then another 1,000 square feet in the basement, I think. Great house, a lot of amenities. You've got really big walk-in closet in the master bedroom. You've got all the tray ceilings and all the extras. One of the things I like about this house is the open entryway in the front door. Really nice. It's a great house for the price point, $465,000, and just you know, a really nice neighborhood. This kind of, you know, it's a really good price point for the house that you're getting. You know, you're getting about, you know, 2,500 to 2,700 square feet for $465,000. You know, it's because you're a little bit further away from Des Moines, and it's a great little community. It's a growing community. There's a lot of new construction in this area. You're real close to, I want to say, 10 to 15 minutes away from Waukee. There's plenty of shops and restaurants and stuff like that for you to do right there. So I really like Adel, and they've got some great new construction homes here. So there you go. All right, there you have it. We saw 4 different new construction homes right here in Adel. It's a great little community. Nice new construction homes here in a nice growing community. Anyway, so look, if you're thinking about moving here and you know, you need a little help, maybe you want some help finding some homes, give me a call. My contact information is going to be in the description. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to Adel or the Des Moines area, whatever the case may be.